So in Microsoft Project, you can add in fields right here as you want from the existing list. But what you can also do is add in custom fields. So to add in custom fields, you need to go around over here on the project tab. And once you go around onto the project tab, you need to go around over here under custom fields. So you can see that this is the option right here. And if you were to click on custom fields, then there are different custom fields as you can see right here. So the custom field can be task related, resource related, as you can see right here, and it can be any of these format. It can be a date, it can be a flag, it can be a number, as you can see just like this. But you need to go around and choose what you want right here. Let's say, for example, this is a number right here, just like this. Then you need to go around and then add this in. So let's say what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and rename this. And let's say I'm going to go around and turn it into total cost right here. So I'm just going to go around and say total cost and press OK, and that can be added in. So now let's say another a custom field needs to be added. Then I can go around and select text. Then what I can do is I can go around and rename this out as well. Let's say, for example, this is TutorTube title right here, just like this, and press OK. So once you go around and rename it, you can go around on to add a new column right here. And let's say, for example, type in TutorTube text, and you can see that that can be added in. And this is in text format. So let me just go around over here onto custom field, and you can see that under the number right here, you got the total cost as well. So now you can go around and type in total, and you can see that total cost is here. On the custom columns right here, what happens is that if I were to go around and type in, let's say, for example, total, you see that number 1 shows up on the side right here, denoting that it is a custom field right here. And that is how you can go around and name and add in custom fields inside of Microsoft Project tasks right here, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.